Very good morning. నమస్తే సార్. సార్ తొందర ఆపేశారు సార్ నన్ను. ఏం బిజీ, ఏం మర్చిపోయారా? How you know her? How?
They are always moving up and down. No?
Acha. But she came first time with me. Yes, all these years, I would have after she has not known to me. 15 साल से ही.
Many ladies takes it average there. All friends.
अच्छा. This color is good.
Sorry?
This color, hair color and dress is good.
Dress?
New dress also. It's a new dress.
No, I don't have new.
It's old only. But color, hair color is good. Hair color.
Oi, guys, you take my strong malo.
Apa nak kalau ah itu kau bohong ah berapa
Love is my king, it is my king, please thank you. Love is my God, so is my King, please
You are tuned to Bhajan stream of Radio Sai, bringing you Prashanti Mandir Bhajans 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Sai Ram and happy listening.
गजानना गुरुवरना पावनना गुरुवरना पावनना गुरुना गुरु नानक ना सतगुरुना गुरु नानक ना गुरुवरना पावनना गुरुवरना पावनना सद्गुरु साई बाबा ना सद्गुरु साई बाबा ना गुरुवरना पावनना सद्गुरुना गुरु नानक ना गुरुवरना पावनना सद्गुरु साई बाबा ना सद्गुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम सद्गुरु नानक नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम जय बोलो साई बाबा नाम गुरुवरना पावनना ओंकार प्रिय साई रामा ओंकार प्रिय साई रामा मुनि जन सेवित साई रामा मुनि जन सेवित साई रामा शांताकारा साई रामा शांताकारा साई रामा साक्षात्कारा साई रामा साक्षात्कारा साई रामा भवराग प्रिय साई रामा प्रिय साई रामा नाद स्वरूपा साई रामा नाद स्वरूपा साई रामा नाट्य कला साई रामा नाट्य कला साई रामा ओंकार प्रिय साई रामा मुनि जन सेवित साई रामा शांताकारा साई रामा साक्षात्कारा साई रामा भवराग प्रिय साई रामा भागवत प्रिय साई रामा नाद स्वरूपा साई रामा नाट्य कला साई रामा नाट्य कला साई रामा ओंकार प्रिय साई रामा गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल से बोलो, प्रेम से बोलो, भाव से बोलो, गोविंद बोलो, गोपाल बोलो। दया करो साई नारायणा, दया करो साई नारायणा, करुणा सागर नारायणा, करुणा सागर नारायणा, पंकज नयना पन्नग शयना, पंकज नयना पन्नग शयना, श्रीवासुदेवा नारायणा, श्रीवासुदेवा नारायणा, पाप विनाशा प्रशांति वासा, पाप विनाशा प्रशांति वासा, परतिपुरी साई नारायणा, परमानंदा नारायणा, परमानंदा नारायणा, दया करो साई नारायणा, करुणा सागर नारायणा, पंकज नयना पन्नग शयना, श्रीवासुदेवा नारायणा, पाप विनाशा प्रशांति वासा, परतिपुरी साई नारायणा, परमानंदा नारायणा, परमानंदा नारायणा, दया करो साई नारायणा, करुणांतरंगा करिराज वरदा, कमलेश श्री साई रामा, करुणांतरंगा करिराज वरदा, कमलेश श्री साई रामा, ओम ओंकार रामा प्रशांति रामा ओंकार रामा प्रशांति रामा परब्रह्म सत्य साई रामा सत्य साई रामा कमलेश श्री साई रामा कमलेश श्री साई रामा करुणांतरंगा परिराज वरदा कमलेश श्री साई रामा ओंकार रामा प्रशांति रामा परब्रह्म सत्य साई रामा कमलेश श्री साई रामा कमलेश श्री साई रामा करुणांतरंगा करिराज वरदा कमलेश श्री साई रामा हे राम दूता हे राम भक्ता हे राम दाता नमो नमो हे राम दूता हे राम भक्ता हे राम दाता नमो नमो सीता माता शोक विनाशा सीता माता शोक विनाशा नाथ नाथ नमो नमो नाथ नाथ नमो नमो मारुति राया मारुति राया भगवंता नमो नमो आंजनेया नमो नमो हे राम दूता हे राम भक्ता हे राम दाता नमो नमो माता शोक विनाशा नाथ नाथ नमो नमो मारुति राया महानुभाव
Let's say a business tycoon.
Business tycoon, be very business tycoon.
Business tycoon.
With ethics.
Yes.
That matters a lot.
Yeah. And because one day his father got a health issue, and Chitamalarapa and the daughter, no?
Yes.
Chitamalarapa sister
Yes.
is so small.
So smart.
Yeah. And Chitamalarapa father called the younger brother
Yes.
to make sure that once after they left from this world, no?
Yes.
Whatever the property and to look after his family.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. But Chitamalarapa as well as his sister and the mother, no?
Mother.
They will be taken care by the younger brother.
Yeah.
So,
Uncle.
uncle, yes, uncle. So he agreed. Okay, I will do it for you. You're my elder brother. I will sure definitely, no doubt, I will do for you. And yeah, then because of his illness, his father passed away, no. And then later, when the Chitamalarapa and the sister, no,
Sister.
when they turn into the adolescent age,
Yes.
the matured one,
Matured.
18.
Yes, yes.
Then the uncle, because of his greediness, no? We people are undercover with the 5 poison. You might be knowing
Yes, yes, yes.
anger, ego,
Kama, Krodha, Lobha,
egoistic,
Mohima.
Yes, 5 poison.
Like Amrutas.
Yeah, 5 poison, and because of that, the sadness, he didn't give the property back to them
Yes, yes,
as
yes.
per the agreement.
Yes, yes.
And his mother
Yes.
asked Chitamalarapa to go and practice
Practice.
some black magic in order
Black
to take
magic. Yes, yes.
revenge. No,
Yes,
sir?
yes, yes, yes.
Revenge. And as per the request of his mother, the Chitamalarapa listened and he went to practice a black magic. While practicing a black magic, he got so perfectionist in that
Yes, yes.
practice. Okay. And uncle and his uncle, no, also
Yes.
having one daughter during the wedding ceremony of that daughter, no,
Yes,
they
yes.
performed black magic and destroyed the all wedding ceremony.
Yes.
Almost he killed like many people
Many
who
people.
attended the wedding ceremony.
Yes, 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 yes.
And also in the harvesting season,
Yes, yes.
where the farmer gets the hard work paid, no, sir?
Yes, yes.
The harvesting season. In that time also he performed black magic and dropped it the downpour the hailstone.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
where all the hard work of the farmer been vanished.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And after realizing that in this world nothing is a permanent,
Yes,
no,
yes,
sir?
yes.
Like as I mentioned in car,
Yes, yes.
we are coming in this earth, Mother Earth,
Right.
just like a tourist.
Yes, yes.
No one is staying as a permanent
Permanent. Yes.
here. It's just a temporary.
Our deeds are permanent. Our
Yes,
deeds
our soul are
Soul,
permanent.
permanent.
Yes, this physical body
perish.
is
perish,
just a
perishable.
temporary one.
Temporary.
Our soul will jump from one tree to another.
The
like a
legacy
mountain.
we have to carry. The
Yes,
legacy.
legacy. We need to
Carry that legacy.
keep it in this world, no, sir?
These are all great people. They carried the
Yeah.
legacy.
And the main motive,
Yes.
reason behind for
Yes.
constructing this Chitamalarapa temple over here is to motivate.
Motivate.
If that person can do that much,
Yeah.
why can't we?
Yes,
That's
yes,
the
yes,
reason
yes,
behind
yes.
it. That's all. And so you might be knowing.
Yes, yes.
you are
In
knowing
this,
that,
in
story.
yes, yes, in old story, and in these two connotations came.
Yeah.
To err is human, to forgive is divine. So he made a sin. Okay, you made a sin, but you repented for the sin, and you tried to avoid the bad things with the guru, so that your black magic tricks will be tolerated by the guru with the divine grace of Guru Rinpoche, grace of Buddha, and you became a common man, and you became a god. So that repentance came him. So if I do something, an elder or a known friend should say, no, this is not correct. You should not have done like this. There are other ways to punish your uncle, but this is not the way. So he was taught, and he was not arrogant. He listened to it. He followed the master and did it. And master, why he did is not that building is to test his patience.
Yes. In order to cleansing his.
Cleans.
Yes.
If other person is just tired up, no, I can't.
Sure.
That's perseverance, tolerance, patience made him.
Consistency,
And in
discipline.
in the history of the world geography, it is written that a prophecy that he only climbed the Mount Kailash. That also story is there.
Chitamalarapa. Yeah,
That is also there.
I heard.
That is also one of the reasons that he is only there. But certain things are saying like this. Whatever it may be, his name is recorded permanently as a good legacy.
Yes.
Like New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Yes.
Yes. And I'm working in this tourism field like almost 5 years. Right?
Very good.
Yes. And our cab operator, Madam Tanjan,
Yes.
and she's serving in this tourism till like 15 years plus.
15 years plus.
Even she is a lady.
Yes, yes.
We are in safe and okay, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
I am from Hyderabad, India.
Jesus.
I am retired from Nagarjuna Fertilizers as a senior micro irrigation officer. I keep traveling to all the places. Traveling is my hobby. I wrote 50 books in English, philosophy, psychology and all. I am a chess state champion, national 4th rank holder and All India electrician first, All India essay rating first. I am a postgraduate in commerce. I am a postgraduate in computer applications. I am a postgraduate in foreign trade management. I did for 35 years service in private organizations.
Wow.
I got lot of pension every month. I traveled almost 130 countries so far. And I keep learning everything. I love people, I serve people, I obey people, I respect people. At the same time, I maintain discipline. I am very punctual, disciplined, woman nature. So one of the main reasons for coming to Bhutan is the low crime and people are friendly, warm and affectionate, easy to access to other countries. Here cost of living and everything is moderate, reasonable to India. Because West Bengal, I love anything because West Bengal is a mother of all Nobel laureates. Maximum laureates in India are born in West Bengal. So it is very adjacent to West Bengal. So I keep coming to Bhutan quite often. This is the 25th time with BK 16 times, per other guide Jigme 9 times. Today is 26th time with you, Nindi, and with the Tandon as a co-partner driver come facilitator. I hope you both enjoy my conversation with you for these 2 days and let us enjoy what best we can do with the grace of Guru Rinpoche, with the grace of Lord Buddha, with the grace of Milarepa, with the grace of Dabdal Nangjal.
Wow, wow. Great, great, sir.
कितना टाइम लगता? जब तक रूम को जाके आना, हाँ, जब तक मैं रेडी हो जाता पैकिंग 15 मिनट लगता ना, 15 मिनट, हाँ, भाई 7:30 लिखा बोल के आया। थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, 7:30 लिखा बोल के मैं आया, रूम को जाके आता। ये देख पाए अपना पानी आलू पूरा करूँ कैसे ठीक है, अच्छा ठीक।
कब आए?
कल आया। विक्की आएगा अभी, विक्की आएगा, विक्की आएगा,
हाँ,
विक्की आएगा,
क्या आएगा?
बाथरूम में बल्ब नहीं है।
बल्ब नहीं है? अभी तो करो।
106
कितना है आपका?
106
106
106 और दूसरा सर ये विंडो ग्लासेस है ना, पूरा मच्छर है, साफ नहीं करता।
हाउस कीपर लोग क्या करता है?
आप मेरे प्यार से बोले, गलत मत सोचो, गलत मत सोचो।
नहीं
मैं प्यार से बोला, बहुत पुराना इसका दोस्त,
आपको तो बोलना चाहिए था ना, वो लोग कुछ कंप्लेंट
बहुत
करना
पुराना
चाहिए।
आदमी, आपको मैं प्यार से बोला, गलत मत सोचो।
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं,
गलत मत सोचो, बहुत साल से परेशान है। एक है बाथरूम में लाइट नहीं है, बूढ़ा आदमी है ना, तकलीफ होता है।
नहीं, वो तो-
और वो ये विंडो ग्लासेस है ना, बिल्कुल साफ नहीं।
अभी आएगा, लोग अभी बोल रहे
गलत मत सोचो भैया।
नहीं आपको बताया, अच्छा किया है,
हाँ अच्छा,
बताना चाहिए ना। भाई
ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए,
नहीं
ये चाहिए क्लीन करने के लिए।
हाँ, क्लीन कर लिए। आप लेट से आएंगे?
15 मिनट में आ
वो
जाएगा।
15 मिनट कोई बात नहीं,
जब तक वो
हाँ अभी आएगा वो लोग, अभी आने वाले 15 आधा घंटा में आएगा।
गलत मत सोचो, गलत मत
नहीं
सोचो। मैं प्यार से
निखिल
Here fishes won't come, no? Fishes won't come, no? Fishes come? Fishes also will come?
Fish.
Huh.
Yes.
Not this area, maybe in a bigger area, no?
Yes.
Not this.
This river also having a fish. Yeah.
But we are not able to see it, only sometimes.
Last time, from the Departmental of Forest official, they came here to check whether this river has a fish or not. No. By putting this fishing rope, they catch 5 fish and they release taken back.
This also has one reason, no? They put here one stone, then one stone, then one. That also has a scientific reason.
Yes.
One stone, wherever you see in that hill rock areas.
Yes.
One stone, maximum seven stones like that. That is also
Having a significant reason behind it.
yes.
Like
I saw like this Senku like that, small Senku also, white color Senku also, some five like that.
Shape will be look like a stupa type, no?
Super type. And somebody told people who died, one of the reasons they told me, it's in memory of something like that.
One that made by the stone. The piling up one another. No, sir. This one is not for
This one is
remembrance. Sir.
this is for
The friendship.
friendship.
Friendship, yes.
This.
Yeah.
If we saw these places in that hillock, the trees, like what we find in squirrel, this kind of this one, like this. That's our conch. Those conch, 7 conches like this, like a castle it is there. Those things, these are all like a friendship. Yes, true.